Hello. I want to welcome you guys to my new series of videos I'm going to start doing. I just bought a new sailboat, Constellation, 30-foot Pearson, and beginning renovations on it and getting her ready to sail and figuring all that stuff out. I made a video the other day about the first time I took it out. I'm gonna put that up. It's pretty funny, broke down pretty quick, and now I'm working on the engine. So let me see. I don't think there's any way to like flip it around, so I'm just gonna show you this old big bastard that I'm working on here. It's a 1977 Atomic 4 engine, 4 cylinders. As you can see, I started taking the spark plugs out, and 2 of them there are stuck. So they broke off inside there. So yeah. So this is Sailboat Constellation so far. Put down some teak mats, waterproof, slip-resistant mats, and put a new air purifier up there, keep the air nice and good. Did some stuff with the cushions and things like that. But right now I'm really just trying to get this engine running and get us out sailing, me and Benjamin. So Benjamin's my 4-year-old son, that some of you know, some of you don't. Yeah, so that's what's going on right now, and I'm gonna basically try to make a series of videos while I work on this engine here, and I work on the sailboat. So the next video I post will probably be a good overview of, you know, what's currently here and what I'm gonna do to it. But right now the most important thing to me is getting this engine going. So once I get that taken care of, we'll move on to the next steps. But yeah, she's pretty comfy. I mean, got a bathroom back there. And we got the bedroom back there. But yeah, she's pretty cool. Currently docked in Maryland, outside Baltimore, for the time being, but hopefully not for too long. Get this road on the show, you know. All right, next video coming soon.